today is Costco day.
Hey friends, welcome to our channel. My name is Brigitte of Our Family Bee, and today we're going to Costco because who doesn't love free samples, and because we love their bulk meat and their fruit. It lasts about 2 weeks for us. So come along with us. Is that where we're going, Benjamin?
Mom,
Where are we going?
You have this?
Because I'm using it. Where are we going? It's using it to hold the phone.
Costco?
Costco? Do you like Costco?
Why do you like Costco, bud?
Oh, she's sleeping. Do you like Costco, babe?
I do. Cheap meat. It's good.
Okay, we're new to vlogging and we didn't take any video while we were in Costco, but let me show you what we got and how we plan to use it. We're back from Costco.
We're back.
First thing to know is we separate food from other things on our budget. So household goods includes anything consumable, such as shampoo, conditioner, deodorant, toothpaste, anything like that we use or buy repeatedly, we put that under household goods. So our dish soap and vinegar would be under that category. We use vinegar for fabric softener, for cleaning our teeth retainers, and the dish soap is going to be for the kitchen to refill our smaller soap. So the reason we do household goods separate from our food category on our budget is because we like to track how much our food actually costs and how much our household goods cost, because a lot of times what we get for household goods we can change and actually get more inexpensively if we get creative. So we like to budget that separately and see how low we can get it, and then we put food in a separate category because we have different goals for food, different ways that we want to eat, and we just like them separate. It's worked well for us, so maybe it will for you too. Okay, so here's what we got. We have pork loin, which we like to cut up and freeze into separate bags. That way we can just take out the portion that we need. We also got smoked salmon because Brandon likes it. I don't like it. Do you like it? We got steak, which the how-to video is coming soon. He'll do that. I'm not very good at cutting up that stuff. So cutting it up this way allows us to have better control of, one, the price, and two, we portion it out for if it's just gonna be us or if we're gonna have friends over. And it's really inexpensive, which Brandon will cover in his how to cut it up video. He'll break down the price for you. We also got bacon, and it comes in a 4-pack, but we freeze the other 3 and keep one in the fridge to cook, and whenever I need to add more, I just take one out, defrost it in the fridge overnight, cook it the next morning. And the only way that I will ever cook bacon again is in the oven because it is so easy. And if you want a video on how to make bacon in the oven, let me know in the comments down below. Blocks of mozzarella and cheddar because it's easy to shred ourselves or cut up. Freeze it. It freezes very well, and then we just take out like a quart-sized bag when I need it and keep it in the fridge. We get plain yogurt because we can use it as sour cream if we need for tacos, or if I make a creamy sauce, I'll use that with mayonnaise. But Benjamin loves it with honey, and the more we can cut out sugar, the better. So we will pre-portion little cups for his lunch with plain yogurt, a little honey, and maybe some fruit on top, raspberries or blueberries, which we also got in this haul. So we also got mushrooms, which are great to saute or add to breakfast casseroles, and I just love mushrooms. They're so good. We got chicken apple sausages, which are really good because they're fully cooked already. They're easy and quick protein that I can bring to work because I have to bring lunch and dinner sometimes to work, because you do not want to get food where I work. We got a whole ham that we can slice up on our food slicer. We also freeze that in quart-sized bags like the cheese, and we just take out whatever we need, and it's worked great. We've had no problems with it. We got kielbasa because, again, it's fully cooked and an easy protein. We use it with breakfast. We use it with kielbasa and cabbage. If you want a recipe for that, let me know in the comments and I'll film a video of that. Frozen broccoli, which is always good to have on hand. I just learned, tell me if you already knew this, but you can put frozen vegetables on a tray and then bake it to roast it. I didn't know you could do it from frozen. So that's been my newest favorite, is putting frozen broccoli or frozen green beans on a tray, put some olive oil, salt, pepper, throw it in the oven for 30 minutes. It's great. We also got romaine and spinach for salads, or romaine also for lettuce cups. We put some lunch meat on there with cheese and ham and mayonnaise and mustard and bacon if you want. And that's an easy lunch. Brandon likes sauteed spinach, so he'll have that with the steak, and that's a great meal for him. Raspberries we used plain or in yogurt or on granola or oatmeal, anything like that. Blueberries we love in oatmeal or on yogurt. Grapes are great for Benjamin lunches because they last a while, so I can count on that to last 2 weeks for his lunches. And sometimes they're expensive, so you have to watch it, but they're a great fruit that lasts. And so I like to keep those on hand, and he loves them. But for those of you who are watching your sugar, did you know that a serving size for grapes is 12? That's not a lot, FYI. We also got bananas because I love bananas. I like to take them to work and eat with peanut butter. I also will freeze any extra for banana bread or for Brielle's food. They're easy. Applesauce is great for Benjamin lunches. It's also great for baby food. So I will make pre-portioned containers of that for him, so I can just throw it in his lunch with yogurt and another container with lunch meat and fruit, and he's good to go. Pouches are good for on-the-go snacks. We don't let him have them at home because, you know, they're pricier than just applesauce from a jar. So they're strictly for lunches or, you know, church snacks when we're running to and from church. We got almond flour because we're really digging these keto mug cakes or keto bread that we make in the microwave. We add some cheddar. Oh, so good. If you want a recipe for that, let me know in the comments down below. Fruit snacks because, let's face it, if you have a 3 or 4-year-old, you need to bribe them sometimes. And to get them to eat vegetables, we say, Benjamin, you can have a special treat. And it's a small fruit snack bag, and he's like, okay. Avocado oil to restock our pantry. Tuna for tuna salad. It's an easy protein snack. It will fill you up. It will hold you over. And if you want a recipe for that, let me know in the comments down below. We restocked our pantry with garlic and peppercorns. We also got almonds and pecans for pecans. Which way do you say it? So we got those 2 nuts because they're easy for snacking. We got whole wheat bread. Now I got 2 loaves, but I freeze one, and the other half of the first one, I will make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, cut them in half, freeze them in individual bags for Benjamin. And it's an easy way for me to bring a snack or a lunch for him when we're on the go, or if I forgot to make something for his lunch, I can just grab it from the freezer. It won't go bad. It'll stay there as long as I want. And we also got 5 dozen eggs. And you may think, oh, they don't go through that, but we do. Probably we could go through 1.5 of those in a month. So we'll see how long this one lasts. And we make casseroles, we make sous vide egg bites, we use it for baking. We use a lot of eggs, and eggs are protein, so, you know. So it's a lot of stuff, but it should last us for, I'd say, most of the month. For meat. Fruit, I'd say 2 to 3 weeks. Benjamin eats a lot of fruit because not a lot of vegetables. Yeah, I guess we'll see. We'll keep you updated. That's all.